Why can't you and I execute today? Why can't we take action? Why can't we take the first step of success? Why can't we win? I'll tell you why. You're scared. You're not scared of, you're not scared of failure. You're scared of success. You're scared of other people's opinions. You're scared of what people think of you. You're scared of it. I know you're scared of it. I can tell you're scared of it. And it's sad. It's sad because at the end of the day, I know for a fact you were born to win, but programmed to lose.
The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.